sisters. Hello, my country. And I am proud of rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Along lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Happy morning, everyone. Today's news bulletin is brought to you by SRVNs of Grade-IX Cerulean. International news and national news is brought to you by B. Just from Grade-IX Cerulean. International news. Israel to ban 37 ad groups operating in Gaza. National news. Jammu Kashmir police arrested two from Gandarbal district for is suspended to terrorist lens. Thank you.
Happy morning to one and all. Today's state and sports news brought to you by G. Sharat Kumar of Grade-IX Cerulean. State news. KCR wrote 28 letters for in-handed Krishna water of sharing Harish Rao. Sports news. Australia cricketer Kawaza says that retirement. Thank you.
I am Ishwar from Grade-IX Cerulean. Today's weather report. Maximum temperature 21 degrees. Minimum temperature 24 degrees. Wind speed 8 km per hour. Humidity 84%. Thank you.
The word is brought to you by Jeevans from Grade-IX Cerulean. Word, league, meaning a group of sports clubs that compete with each other for a prize. I will repeat once again, a group of sports clubs that compete with each other for a prize. Friends, please spell after me. League. L-E-A-G-U-A. League. Thank you.
Everyone, today's what is brought to you by Gautam from Grade-IX Cerulean. Thought. By Gautam Siddhar from Grade-IX Cerulean. Thought. Science is not only discipline of reason but also one of the passion. I repeat once again, science is not only a discipline but of reason but also one of the passion. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. My name is Kaushal of Grade-IX Cerulean. Today I would like to speak about the importance of sports. Sports keeps us healthy and active. It teaches us discipline, teamwork and confidence. Playing sports makes our body strong and makes our mind fresh. Sports are not only good for our body but also for our mind. They reduce the stress and makes us happy and energetic. Therefore, we should include sports in our daily routine along with studies. Thank you. Have a sportive day.
Today's GK questions are brought to you by Abhishek of Grade-IX Cerulean. Question for grade 7. Which country won the first Cricket World Cup in 1975? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is West Indies. Let us appreciate that. Question for grade 8. How many rings are there in Olympic flag? 5. Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is 5. Let us appreciate that. What is the length of Olympic swimming pool? Yes, you picked the right answer. Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is 50 meters. Let us appreciate them. Open questions for all. Who is known as the Flying Sikh of India? I repeat my question. Who is known as the Flying Sikh of India? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. And the answer is Milkha Singh. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.